Hello, I'm Aylul, and this is from The Stars to the Children. Today I'll tell you about how fear can be like a little bird that lands on our hearts, and how that bird can learn to fly far, far away. Are you ready to begin? Once upon a time, there was a curious little boy aged 7, and his name was Oliver. Oliver loved discovering new things every day. He would catch raindrops in his hand, watch the line of ants marching by, and gaze up at the sky, wondering, where are the clouds going, I wonder? But one evening, when it was time to go to his room, a strange feeling filled his chest. He looked at his dark room and didn't want to turn off his light. His heart beat a little faster. What if something was hiding under my bed? His mother came in and said, "What's the matter, Oliver? Why haven't you turned off the light?" I think I'm scared, Mum. I can't see anything in the dark." His mother smiled, sat down on the floor and said softly, "Everyone feels afraid sometimes, my dear. Fear is a feeling that tries to protect us. But sometimes it comes even when there's no danger. When that happens, what we need to do is get to know our fear." "What do you mean?" Close your eyes and think about your fear. What do you think it's like? Oliver closed his eyes. I think it's like a little blue bird, Mum. It's sitting on my heart and its wings are flapping really, really fast." His mother nodded. "Wonderful! Then imagine that blue bird. Now, take a deep breath, and as you breathe out, imagine that bird slowly flying up into the sky." Oliver took a deep breath, and then let it out. The bird first flew up to the ceiling, then out the window and into the stars. Suddenly, his heart felt lighter. "The bird's gone, Mum." You see, when you understand your fear, you can let it go. Being afraid isn't bad, but it's lovely not to let it rule you. That night, Oliver decided to sleep in the dark. "Good night, my little bird of fear. Fly away and please don't come back, will you?" And from that day on, whenever he felt afraid, Oliver would take a deep breath in and set his little bird free and send it up into the sky, right beside the stars. When you feel afraid, take a deep breath like Oliver and set your little bird of fear into the sky. Because being afraid doesn't make you weak. It only shows that your heart is trying to keep you safe. And just like every child, there's a brave bird inside you too, ready to fly. Thank you for listening and see you next time.